Tesla's Cybertruck is facing one of its most difficult periods since launch. Tesla recently recalled 173 Cybertrucks from the 2024 to 2026 model years over concerns involving brake rotors and wheel stability. While the company Snorts also recalled more than 200,000 additional Tesla vehicles due to rear-view camera software issues. At the same time, Cybertruck sales in the United States reportedly fell from nearly 39,000 units in 2024 to around 20,200 units in 2025, a decline of almost 50%. But here is the contradiction making the situation far more fascinating. Despite the recalls and slowing demand, Cybertruck still achieved a 5-star overall safety rating from NHTSA and earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award, the highest safety recognition in America. So, what is really happening inside Tesla's most radical vehicle program ever created? How can Cybertruck be one of America's safest trucks while facing recall concerns? Despite the controversy surrounding its futuristic design, the Cybertruck earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), the highest score possible in the United States. Tesla also secured the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award for Cybertruck models produced after April 2025, the highest safety recognition from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. That achievement shocked many critics because the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton and sharp angular structure were widely expected to perform poorly in crash testing. Instead, Tesla engineered reinforced energy absorption zones beneath the rigid outer shell, allowing the truck to achieve strong crash protection performance while maintaining extremely high structural rigidity. The Cybertruck also benefits from a very low center of gravity thanks to its heavy battery pack mounted under the floor, helping reduce rollover risks despite weighing nearly 3,100 kilograms, or around 6,800 pounds. Why is Tesla recalling Cybertruck wheel components? Tesla recently recalled 173 Cybertrucks from the 2024 to 2026 model years after regulators identified concerns involving brake rotors and wheel studs on trucks equipped with 18 inches steel wheels, according to filings submitted to NHTSA. Repeated stress from potholes, rough roads, heavy loads, or aggressive cornering could cause cracks to form near the wheel mounting area. In severe cases, the wheel studs themselves could partially separate from the hub assembly. That creates a potentially dangerous situation because wheel stability directly affects steering precision, braking control, and driver handling response. Although Tesla says no crashes or injuries have been officially linked to the defect so far, regulators still classified the issue as a serious safety concern because any failure involving wheel attachment systems carries immediate risks. The problem becomes even more significant because the Cybertruck is one of the heaviest consumer EV trucks ever produced. A vehicle weighing nearly 6,800 pounds places enormous stress on brake systems, wheel hubs, suspension components, and structural mounting points during normal driving conditions. Every pothole impact transfers massive force into the wheel assembly, especially when towing or cornering at high speed. That means even relatively small component weaknesses can become amplified over time under repeated heavy loads. Tesla says all affected brake rotors, wheel hubs, and wheel studs will be replaced free of charge using upgraded components. But the recall also exposes how difficult it is to mass-produce completely new vehicle architectures at large scale. Why are hardware problems more dangerous for Tesla than software issues? Tesla's reputation was built largely on software innovation. Over the past several years, the company repeatedly solved vehicle issues remotely through over-the-air updates without requiring dealership visits. In fact, Tesla recently recalled more than 200,000 vehicles across the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X lineup because rear-view camera delays could temporarily reduce driver visibility while reversing. Tesla fixed most of those cases through software updates pushed directly to customers. But mechanical failures create a completely different challenge. A cracked brake rotor cannot be repaired through software.